Hello, I'm Dr. Gregory Lagana, a chiropractic physician specializing in the treatment of low back pain for over 25 years. Did you know that chiropractic was discovered in America and is as American as apple pie? It is. It was founded by Dr. D.D. Palmer, a magnetic healer in 1885. He accidentally discovered that when a spinal bone is out of place, it can short circuit the nervous system, causing ill health, with or without pain. He also discovered gentle, non-force ways to naturally take pressure off these involved nerves, resulting in relieving pain and restoring normal health and function. Today, chiropractors are licensed physicians receiving the same basic education as medical doctors, with the main difference being chiropractors focus on spinal health and function. Although chiropractors treat many different physical disorders, they are mostly visited and known for their success in the treatment of low back pain and low back related leg pain. If you are suffering from back pain or low back related leg pain, call and ask for a no-charge consultation with me. Relief may be closer than you think.